To restore the default system language on your Samsung Galaxy S26 is fairly simple. Now, this can be incredibly useful, especially if you don't currently understand the language your device is in. So, the easiest way to do so is to simply look for the gear icon or for the settings app icon and then tap on it. From here, you want to scroll through the menu until you find this adjustable icon here that's known as General Management, and you want to select it. Next, tap on the first option that you see at the top of the screen. This by default is language. And then should be able to see your default system language listed right here. If you don't see it listed right here, then you're going to need to tap on this plus icon. Look for your default language. You can use the search function or you can scroll down and find it, and you're going to select it. And then you're going to tap on set as default, which is going to be the option on the right hand side, and you're going to tap on it. After a few moments, you should see the default system language switching to the one that you've just selected. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.